In this part of the video we are going to do double crochet. Like the way we do half double crochet, in the similar way we do double crochet, but there arrives a little difference. See what we are going to do. I am going to hold the yarn in the same way. I am going to wrap the yarn around my crochet hook, find a space in the chain or the foundation chain part, move across my crochet hook, wrap the yarn again, bring it out. Now I am having 3 chains on my crochet hook. I am going to wrap the yarn around my crochet hook and take it out from the 2 resting chains, leaving the one like this only and having this one on my crochet hook only. Now I am having 2 resting chains on my crochet hook. What I am going to do, I am going to wrap the yarn around my crochet hook and then take it out from the 2 resting chains to get only one resting chain. This is how we make a double crochet. I will repeat it. Wrap the yarn around my crochet hook, take it out from the crochet chain space, wrap the yarn once again, bring it out to get 3 chains on my crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, take it out, we have 2 resting chains, wrap the yarn once again, take it out from the 2 resting chains. This is how my half double crochet is formed. We'll repeat it once again. Wrap the yarn around, take it out from the chain space, wrap the yarn, bring it back. We have 3 resting chains on my crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around my crochet hook, bring it out from the 2 resting chains, get 1 resting chain, wrap the yarn around, bring it out of the 2 resting chains to get 1 resting chain. This is how my double crochet looks like. I will just complete this row and then show you how the row appears to me. So this is how my double crochet looks like. This was the loose end of it and this is how it looks like. I will just give you a close view of the same. This is how it appears like. The fact being, you just have to repeat the process of half double crochet, but instead of taking out your hook for 3 times, you have to take it out for 2 times, then get 2 resting chains, and after that take it out from those 2 resting chains also to get 1 resting chain. This is how it looks like. Thank you.